San Francisco Beach, Ocean Beach. Here we are in Ocean Beach. Some of the beautiful, majestic, and scenic parts of the Pacific that are exhibited here. Some had concerns about climate change was averted to greater transmutation of ecological, creative juices.
What's your name again, sir?
I'm Brett, yeah. Let me hit that.
Hold on, buddy. I'll give it to you at the end. This is a guy I just met. I'm about to give him some water and hopefully help him hydrate. We're here in San Francisco, California. And probably give him some smoke, because marijuana is good for all.
Yes,
Have a good day, everybody. Thanks for joining me. Bye.